Hi there, students. Polemic. Polemic can be a noun or an adjective, although you can also use the adjective polemical. Okay, a polemic is a controversy, an argument, particularly where one side or both sides are attacking the beliefs or the doctrines of the other side. So, for example, at the moment in Texas in the US, there is a huge polemic about abortion rights. Yeah, it's a very polemic subject. Okay, so there is an adjective. Okay, a polemic. We very often use a polemic to talk about a speech or a piece of writing in which somebody strongly attacks or defends a particular opinion, idea, doctrine, sets of beliefs. So the speech was one long anti-war polemic attacking war. Yeah, it was an anti-war polemic. Okay, so it's a polemic is where two sides are constantly attacking the beliefs of the other, most normally because these two beliefs are diametrically opposed and there is no middle ground between them. For example, the subject of euthanasia, killing people who are very sick, assisted suicide, is a polemic subject. Okay, people are arguing about it constantly. Either people are strongly in favor of it or strongly against. Okay, so a polemic, a controversial argument. You can also call a person a polemic. This is a person who is always in the middle of controversy and argument. Yeah, they're refuting other people's beliefs. Yeah, I think that's because they enjoy it. Yeah, so he's a polemic. He's always looking for something to rail against. Okay, so a polemic, an argument, a dispute, a controversy, a rant, to rant against, a diatribe, yeah, a philippic as well. Okay, yes, he launched a polemic speech against the dangers of secret society. Yeah, it's a heated discussion in which there's a huge difference of opinion. Yeah, it's effectively a clash of opinions. Yeah. Okay, so a polemic subject, something is very polemic. Let's see. The subject of global warming. I'm not sure it's so polemic because I think most people agree that it's real, but maybe some big companies are less inclined to believe that this exists. Okay, so a polemic, something that there's a big argument or controversy about, a strong verbal or written attack on someone or something. And then, yeah, a polemic, a person who writes or speaks in support of one doctrine or system or opinion, as in opposition to another person or another doctrine or another way of thinking, way of seeing things. So what subjects do you think are polemic at the moment? Yeah, I'm sure there are always different polemic things. Maybe the status of Gibraltar is always a polemic in Spain. Yeah. Okay, so formality. This sounds very literary, really quite highbrow. I think I'd give it 7.5 in formality. Use it in semi-formal and formal essays. I think informally controversial. Yeah, I think controversial's a good word for it. And then as to origin, well, it comes through French polemique, which itself comes from ancient Greek polemikos, meaning of war, from polemos, war itself. Okay, so a polemic is like a verbal war. Well, I'm sure some polemic subjects have, or some polemic issues have developed into wars themselves. Okay, so polemic, something very controversial, something that people feel strongly about. They're either strongly in favor or strongly against, and there's just no middle ground at all. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Polemic, or also polemical.